In this video, I'm going to go over what is a microfiber strip washer for window cleaning. A microfiber strip washer consists of two main parts, the microfiber sleeve and the T-bar, which is the handle. T-bars are typically this aluminum bar, can range in size from 6-inch all the way up to 36-inch, can also be plastic. And then with most T-bars, you have an option for it to be fixed or you can have a swivel. T-bars like the Unger Ninja T-bar give you both options, and they have this little green button here that you can unlock and have the swivel, or you can press the button and have it locked. And typically you have a place to tighten it as far as how you'd like it for the swivel motion. Next is the sleeve. The sleeves consist of 1, 2, 3 types of different microfibers. They can have little nylon bristles in it for a more aggressive scrub like the Mormon Fugu. And they basically just hold a lot of water and are perfect for scrubbing windows so that you're not scratching anything. There's nothing that is ever made of these that will scratch anything. The only thing you want to be careful of if you use a Mormon Fugu sleeve or a Porcupine Ettore sleeve, the nylon bristles I was just talking about, you just want to be careful with tint, aftermarket tint. But here's like an example of a 6-inch T-bar, so something like this is perfect for French windows. Like I mentioned, you can get these sizes all the way up to 36-inch, so typically more of commercial window cleaners you'll see get the 22-inch up to 36-inch. But when you're considering your sizes of T-bars, I would say to stay in the range of about 14 to 18 for your average T-bar. Make sure you get a 6-inch too for the French windows. The reason I say that is for our bucket on a belt, an 18-inch and lower fits really best, where if you start going up to the larger sizes and you have that on your side, the mop can kind of hit into your ribs and be a little bit uncomfortable. What is a microfiber strip washer used for in window cleaning? So I have a bucket of solution. Typically how I've always used it is, the nice thing about an 18-inch is it dips into these 6-gallon rectangular buckets in one dunk. So that's where I hold my solution. I dip it in there when I'm cleaning windows, especially if I'm going inside. I always wring out the strip washer. They hold a ton of water, so that's why they're so great, in that typically if you do a dunk, you don't really need to re-wet your mop for a good like 10 to 20 windows. Some guys can use it for a whole home. Some guys have to dunk here and there. So depending on how you like to clean will depend on how much you get your microfiber strip washer wet. But always just want to wring it out so it's not dripping everywhere. This, real quickly, is my favorite sleeve. This is the Ettore Pro Plus. It just holds a lot of water. Great scrubbing power. Used it for a very long time and lasts for a long time too. So this is all that a microfiber strip washer is doing, is you are scrubbing down the glass, you're just getting into the corners, and it's never ever going to scratch the glass at all. It's just a super, super nice soft microfiber that's agitating that dirt so that when we squeegee off the solution, we get a nice clean streakless finish. Most microfiber sleeves will have a little Velcro piece here that opens, or have a little brass snap. That is how you open the sleeve to put it onto the T-bar. So you'll open it like that. One side of the T-bar, doesn't matter which side, you can do either or. Put it right into the sleeve like that. And it'll typically be this little loop here. You'll put that over the aluminum bar, slip that over the end, and then just Velcro it. So therefore, your sleeve isn't like twisting on your T-bar a whole lot. They will, as far as that goes, a little bit, other than if you get like a Maker handy sleeve complete with their sleeves, those won't rotate at all, but we'll go into that in the future. But that is simply it as far as a microfiber strip washer. Once again, available in many, many different sizes. Ettore Pro Plus, Unger Ninja strip washer are all great options. But that is all you're using it for, is to scrub the window, to get your solution on there, and totally safe for glass. Most of these will always fit on extension poles as well, so you can use them there. But that is as simple as a microfiber strip washer is. To wash microfiber strip washers, I suggest washing them in a washer machine with cold water and mild detergent. If you don't want to use detergent and you're worried about that soap kind of transferring with your solution, totally fine. Just always do it on cold water and always let it air dry. You never want to put microfiber in the dryer because it can mat the microfiber and make it not absorb as much water in the future. I did this with a lot of my old sleeves when I first started and didn't know better and ruined a lot of sleeves and never knew why. So that's just a good tip as well. But that's as simple as a microfiber strip washer is, but it is a really nice thing to have for window cleaning and makes you a more efficient window cleaner as well, so that you're not having to spray the windows, scrub it by hand with a bunch of other stuff. You just have it all in one tool with your microfiber strip washer and your T-bar. If you have any questions, comment below. Have a good day. Bye-bye.